In this video, we'll show you how to record your screen on a Mac. Let's get started. Begin by pressing Command and Shift and 5 keys to access the screen recording menu at the bottom. Within the menu, you'll find 2 categories, one for capturing the entire screen and another for recording a selected portion. Once chosen, explore the options. Here you can adjust settings such as file saving location, timer, microphone selection, and options like displaying mouse clicks, floating thumbnails, and remembering the last selection. When you're ready, click on Record. Your screen recording on your Mac will commence. To stop recording, click on the small black dot at the top right menu. This video provides the simplest guide to recording your screen on a Mac. For solutions to all your tech questions, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of the tailored videos just for you.